Here's some Python usage trivia. Subscribe. Which organization maintains Python's official website? Is it A, Python Software Foundation, B, Mozilla Corporation, C, OpenAI Foundation, or D, Apache Foundation? The correct answer is A, Python Software Foundation. Which method adds an element to a list? Is it A, insert, B, append, C, remove, or D, modify? The correct answer is B, append. Which keyword is used for defining functions? Is it A, define, B, func, C, lambda, or D, def? The correct answer is D, def. What structure uses key-value pairs in Python? Is it A, set, B, tuple, C, list, or dictionary? The correct answer is dictionary. Which operator performs string concatenation? Is it A, an operator, B, not operator, C, plus operator, or D, minus operator? The correct answer is C, plus operator. Which library is commonly used for data manipulation? Is it A, NumPy, B, pandas, C, scikit-learn, or D, matplotlib? The correct answer is B, pandas. Which symbol denotes comments in Python? Is it A, symbol, B, symbol, C, symbol, or D, symbol? The correct answer is C, symbol. What is the extension for Python scripts? Is it A, PyPV, PYC, PYW? The correct answer is BY. What data type represents true-false values? Is it A, string, B, number, C, integer, or D, Boolean? The correct answer is D, Boolean. What keyword is used to handle exceptions? Is it A, handle, B, block, C, try, or D, manage? The correct answer is C, try. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.